How to earn rewards with Arena of Faith's social center on Metis. How to join as a KOL. Visit www.aof.global. Create an account, then log in. Click on the Earn tab. Select Team Investment. Connect your wallet. Click Create Team. Connect your X account. Name your team and add the team image. Team names and images cannot be changed once created. A small amount of Metis tokens is required for contract interactions during team creation. As a team creator, you'll earn 3% of the transaction volume as revenue. Additionally, you'll receive an extra 2% incentive during the early stages. Supply and price relationship. As the supply of points, N, increases, the buy price is calculated as N squared divided by 160 Metis, and the sell price is N-1 squared divided by 160 Metis. This means that as the supply grows, the potential profit from selling points also increases. Benefits of holding team points. First validator node. Teams with more than 20 points become validator nodes, participating in POFS match verification. Rewards are distributed based on the team's market cap and individual point holdings. In-game team, coming soon. Team point holders will gain the right to join the KOL team in-game and compete in esports tournaments with high prize pools, offering additional earning opportunities. How to join as a user. As a user, you can buy and sell team points using Metis tokens. Log in and connect your wallet. Choose a team from the All Teams section and use the Invest panel to buy or sell team points. Share a specific team with your friends by clicking the Share Team button, which copies the direct investment link for you to send.